Welcome to this guided meditation for deep relaxation. Start by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax without any distractions. You can sit or lie down in any position that feels natural to you, and take a moment to settle in and close your eyes gently. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhaling slowly, releasing any tension or stress. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine letting go of any worries or thoughts that may be weighing you down. Allow your body and mind to relax completely. Now bring your attention to your body. Start by focusing on your feet. Feel the sensation of relaxation spreading from your toes to the soles of your feet and up to your ankles. Notice any sensations, warmth, or tingling that may arise. Allow this relaxation to flow upwards, soothing your calves and shins, all the way up to your knees. Feel the relaxation continuing to move through your thighs, releasing any tension or tightness. Let it flow further up into your hips and pelvic area, bringing a sense of deep relaxation and ease. Notice how your body feels as the tension melts away and you surrender to this peaceful state. Now shift your attention to your lower back and abdomen. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath, like a soothing rhythm that relaxes your entire body. With each breath, imagine any tension or discomfort being gently released, allowing your body to sink deeper into relaxation. Now bring your awareness to your chest and upper back. Feel this soft expansion and contraction as you breathe in and out. Imagine each breath nourishing your body and filling it with calmness and tranquility. And allow this deep relaxation to spread through your shoulders, releasing any tension held there. And now bring your attention to your arms, from your upper arms down to your wrists and fingertips. Notice any sensations or feelings of relaxation as the warmth spreads through your arms, releasing any remaining tension. Feel your hands become lighter and more relaxed. And now shift your focus to your neck and your throat. Let go of tightness and constriction in this area, and allow the relaxation to flow through your jaw, releasing any clenched muscles. Feel your face and scalp relaxing, your forehead smoothing, and your temples softening. Take a moment to appreciate this deep state of relaxation you have achieved, and take a few moments to simply be present. And as we come to an end of this guided meditation, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, and when you're ready, slowly open up your eyes. Take this sense of relaxation and peace with you as you continue your day, knowing that you can return to this state of deep relaxation whenever you need. So thank you for joining me today. May you carry the tranquility you experience into the world around you.